Hi viewers, so today we're taking a tour on a four-bedroom semi-detached home. Two units actually, one is sold. We currently have just this in the market. Now this property is sitting on about 200 square meters. You have your car park space that can take up to two cars, if not more. We currently have one car right here and we still have this space left for you to park your cars. Simple architectural design, functional. We have spacious living areas and rooms also. So let's take a quick tour. But before then, if you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this amazing project. Welcome home and let's take a quick tour. Okay, so this is the ambience of this place. So we have four-bedroom semi-detached. This is it. This is the only unit available. This unit is actually sold, right? So this property is sitting on about 200 square meter. You see the car park can conveniently take two cars. One is already parked here. This other space can take another car. Of course, it has its own driving, the entrance right here. Okay. So let's go inside and see what we have on a 200 square meter land. Okay, let me take you through the exterior just before we go right inside. So this is your walkway and you have your BQ just right there. So this is your BQ. Okay, so this is it. Have your BQ just right here. And this is your bathroom. Okay, let's go right inside. So just right here, you got your simple architectural design here. You have your door just here with biometrics. Now this is your primary living area. For your primary living area just right here. Of course, your TV console can be right there. This property is priced at 150 million. So let me know what you think of this project. So you have your living area right here, which I consider spacious. Then just right here, you have your powder room, your visitors restroom, just here. And if you go this way, you have one room just right here. Have one room just right here. So they're still painting the home. So that's why you see the bucket of paint just here. So this is the visitors room, which is ensuite bathroom. That's your walk-in shower. Okay. Just by my left, you have your kitchen. So this is the kitchen. This is your kitchen. You've got your island, which will obviously be in the middle. You have your basic essentials, your microwave, your oven, your 5 burner gas. You have your heat extractor, and you have a space for your washing machine. You also have this space to set up your pantry. And this door obviously leads you to the backyard. Okay, it's open. So this is the backyard, and from here you can also access the boys' quarters. Okay, I think we can go upstairs. So let's go upstairs. So maybe you get upstairs, you're welcome. This is it. And just by my right, we have two rooms right here. So let's take a look at this one. So you have your room right here. That's your wardrobe. And just by this corner, you have your bathroom. That's your walk-in shower. Okay. So let's go see the other room. So you also have this room right here. So we have 3 rooms upstairs and 1 room downstairs. So you have your wardrobe right there. Your bathroom is right here with the walk-in shower. So let's go to the master's bed. So this is your master's. Have your spacious room for the masters with good natural light coming into the home. Okay, so this is the masters, quite spacious. Then just by this corner you have your walk-in closet. Have your walk-in closet, and here you've got your bathroom. Have your walk-in shower just right here. You have your bathtub over there, and you have the space just right here. Okay, the masters comes with a balcony with this sliding door right here. So this is the balcony, and from here you can oversee your neighborhood. So let me know what you think of this project. 4-bedroom semi-detached home. We have 2 units. One is actually sold. The owner is already living there. It's 150 million. So let me know what you think of this project. It's located in a well-secured and serene environment. So if you want this home, the number to call will be in the comment section. Kindly get across to us and let's get you to this last unit for just one lucky buyer. Thank you.